How to create an email list with GetResponse. Want to build a high-quality email list? Start with the foundations and learn how to create an email list the right way and get your first 1,000 subscribers in no time. The main goal of this email marketing tool is to help you plan your email list building the right way so you make the most of your online marketing and build a lasting relationship with your customers. And who is it for? Everyone who wants to run successful online marketing campaigns. Email list, your precious business asset. The contact list is the backbone of online marketing. The results of your online marketing campaigns to a large extent depend on the quality of your email lists. Your email list is the place where your contacts are stored, and a basic storage unit for all content created in your account. That's why you should build solid foundations for your online marketing success by creating your contact list the right way. Create contact lists to increase relevancy. We highly recommend creating separate email lists for contacts with different information needs or preferences. Compare these two examples. 1 list for all the contacts that gave consent to receive email marketing communication. 2. Several lists for different groups of contacts. Potential customers, one-time customers, frequent customers. Now, imagine that you are planning a personalized email marketing communication. Which of the above examples is more likely to bring you better business results? Click the first link below in the description to get the full details.